Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need power and Bluetooth active. Once done, start pairing immediately. Hold the Xbox pair button until its guide light flashes. This makes the controller discoverable. On your iPhone, open Settings and tap Bluetooth. Keep the phone unlocked so the device list updates in real time. You do this now because background scanning can time out. Make sure iOS supports controllers, then move to your iPhone's available devices. If the controller's light stops, repeat the button press to re-enter pairing mode. Tap the Xbox wireless controller entry when it appears. This initiates the handshake. You'll see a connecting state. Once the iPhone shows connected, the controller's light will stabilize. If iOS prompts for a firmware or accessory permission, accept it so performance and compatibility are optimal. This reduces lag and fixes button mapping. Once paired, test navigation by pressing the Xbox button and using the thumbsticks. If pairing stalls, toggle Bluetooth off and on. Then repeat pairing. This clears transient radio conflicts and retries the process. Finish by opening a game or settings right arrow game controller to confirm inputs and vibration. You want to verify analog stick centering and button mapping before play. This avoids surprises mid-session. If the controller disconnects, select Forget this device on the iPhone and re-enter pairing mode. This clears stale profiles. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset the controller by holding the guide and sync buttons for about 10 seconds. This clears internal states and often resolves persistent pairing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.